The giraffe, the tallest land animal on the planet, has long captured the fascination of people around the world. With its towering height, long neck, and unique spotted coat, the giraffe is an emblem of the African savanna, a symbol of grace and elegance. Its scientific name, Giraffa camelopardalis, reflects the ancient belief that the giraffe was a hybrid of a camel and a leopard, highlighting its extraordinary appearance. Giraffes are known for their remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in their habitats. Adult giraffes can reach heights of up to 18 feet 5.5 meters, with males being taller than females. Their long necks, which can be up to 6 feet 1.8 meters long, are supported by just 7 vertebrae, the same number found in a human neck. Each vertebra is elongated, providing giraffes with the ability to browse on treetops that other herbivores cannot reach. This adaptation gives them access to a diet rich in leaves, flowers, and fruits, particularly from acacia trees, which are abundant in their natural habitats. The giraffe's unique coat pattern is another fascinating feature. Each giraffe has a distinct pattern of patches that can vary in color from light tan to dark brown. These patterns serve multiple purposes. They provide camouflage among the dappled sunlight of the savanna, help regulate body temperature, and play a role in social interactions. Researchers believe that these patterns may be used for individual recognition among giraffes, similar to how human fingerprints are unique. Socially, giraffes are quite interesting creatures. They are generally social animals, often found in loose herds composed of females and their young, while males may form bachelor groups. The social structure of giraffes is fluid. Individuals often change herds, and there is no strict hierarchy. This social behavior allows them to engage in playful interactions, particularly among younger giraffes. Juveniles are known to engage in playful activities such as neck wrestling, which helps them develop the strength and coordination necessary for adult life. Communication among giraffes is a complex and nuanced process. While they are not particularly vocal animals, they do produce a variety of sounds, including grunts, bleats, and snorts. Researchers have also documented that giraffes can communicate through infrasound, low-frequency sounds that are inaudible to human ears. This form of communication allows them to convey messages over long distances, which is particularly useful in their open habitats where visibility can be limited. Feeding habits are crucial to the giraffe's survival. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, flowers, and fruits, and they are particularly fond of the tender foliage of acacia trees. A giraffe can consume up to 75 pounds 34 kilograms of food in a single day. Their long necks allow them to reach high branches, while their prehensile tongues, which can be up to 20 inches 50 centimeters long, are adept at grasping leaves and stripping them from branches. The giraffe's tongue is also darkly pigmented, likely to protect it from sunburn as it feeds on sunny treetops. Hydration is another important aspect of a giraffe's life. Giraffes can go for long periods without water, obtaining most of their hydration from the leaves they consume. However, they do need to drink water occasionally, which can be a vulnerable time for them. When they lower their necks to drink, they become exposed to predators, making them cautious. To drink, giraffes must spread their legs apart to reach down, an awkward but necessary position. Reproduction in giraffes is marked by a unique courtship ritual. Males engage in a behavior known as necking, where they swing their necks to strike one another in a show of dominance. This ritual helps establish hierarchy among males and determines breeding rights. The winner of these contests typically gains access to females in estrus. Female giraffes are pregnant for approximately 15 months before giving birth to a single calf. Twins are rare but can occur. The birth usually takes place while the female is standing, and the calf drops about 6 feet 1.8 meters to the ground. This sudden drop helps to stimulate breathing and encourages the calf to stand quickly, which is crucial for its survival in the wild. The bond between a mother and her calf is strong. Mothers are highly protective of their young, and calves are able to stand and walk within a few hours of birth, which is vital for avoiding predators. Giraffe calves are often born in isolation from the rest of the herd, allowing the mother to care for her young without the distractions of other animals. As the calf grows, it will gradually rejoin the herd, where it learns important social skills and behaviors from other giraffes. Giraffes are not without their challenges. In recent years, their populations have faced significant declines due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. As agriculture expands into giraffe habitats, These majestic animals find themselves increasingly isolated and unable to access the food and water sources they need to survive. Poaching for meat and hides, as well as illegal hunting for trophies, further exacerbates the threats they face. Conservation efforts are underway in many regions to protect giraffe populations and their habitats. Organizations dedicated to giraffe conservation work to educate local communities about the importance of these animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. They promote sustainable land use practices that allow for coexistence between humans and wildlife. Ecotourism initiatives also provide economic incentives for local communities to protect giraffes, as visitors are drawn to see these remarkable animals in their natural habitats. The conservation status of giraffes is concerning. While they were once abundant across Africa, populations have been declining sharply. The International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) has classified giraffes as vulnerable, with certain subspecies listed as endangered. This highlights the urgent need for conservation measures to protect giraffes and their ecosystems. Efforts to protect giraffes include habitat restoration, anti-poaching initiatives, and community-based conservation programs. Education plays a crucial role in these efforts, as raising awareness about the threats facing giraffes can inspire local communities to take action. Additionally, research and monitoring programs are essential for understanding giraffe populations and tracking their movements, which can inform conservation strategies. In popular culture, giraffes have captured the imagination of people worldwide. They are often depicted in art, literature, and film, symbolizing grace, gentleness, and the beauty of nature. Their unique appearance and behavior make them a favorite among wildlife enthusiasts and tourists alike. Many zoos and wildlife parks have dedicated programs to educate the public about giraffes and their conservation needs, fostering a greater appreciation for these remarkable creatures. As we reflect on the life of giraffes, it is essential to recognize their significance beyond their physical attributes. Giraffes play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. By browsing on tall trees, they help shape the vegetation structure of their habitats, allowing other herbivores to thrive. Their feeding habits also contribute to seed dispersal, facilitating plant regeneration. Moreover, giraffes serve as indicators of environmental health. A thriving giraffe population often reflects a healthy ecosystem, as these animals rely on diverse plant life and clean water sources. Protecting giraffes and their habitats is not only crucial for their survival, but also for the overall health of the ecosystems they inhabit.